To head into Bankhead National Forest. I think we are ready. Trevor's got his overlanding trailer. Just got it set up. Got a lot of work to do to this thing, building a rack and all that. But we should have some fun today, see some beautiful waterfalls. Let's get into it.
I've been trying a little bit more, but I'll hold them today because this is a little bit more treacherous than normal, and I don't know if you know, it's just not quite.
So much energy. Just an off-road dog. Got the Kinloch Falls. A lot of water here because of the rain we just had. Awesome.
The trailer about the stuff.
Aww, you're so pretty.
What is going on here?
What you doing?
You gotta frolic with her.
I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin them.
That's so cute.
He's probably just moody because he hasn't eaten yet. That's a problem. 8 o'clock. So it's not long.
That doesn't look good.
You're good. Ooh.